Hello, my little warriors. Welcome back. Let's see question number 1 of exercise 8.3. We have to express the trigonometry ratios of secant A, sin A, and tan A in terms of cot A. It's a very simple problem because now we can use the trigonometry identities. Using the trigonometry identities, we can solve. So, trigonometry identity is one is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 and 1 plus tan square A will be equal to secant square A. Since we needed cot, so 1 plus cot square A will be equivalent to cosecant square A. We will use this particular trigonometry identity. So 1 plus cot square A will be equivalent to cosecant square A. So sin A is given by sin A is equal to 1 by cosecant A. So instead of this one can be substituted here. So we can write this as cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, or if we write 1 by cosecant square A will be equivalent to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. Okay. 1 by cosecant square A will be equivalent to sin square A. That equals 1 by 1 plus cot square A. So, the next step will be remove the square terms on either side. Then you'll have sin A is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. This will be actually plus or minus, but in first quadrant all are plus, so we'll remove this and then we can write as sin A is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Now next part of the question is we need to write secant A in terms of cot A. So the formula which is linking secant A to cot A is 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Okay, or we can write this as secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. As we have to write this in terms of cot, so we will change this to cot. So this one will become secant square A is equal to 1 plus 1 by cot square A. Now let's take cot square A as LCM. Secant square A will be equivalent to cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. So if secant square A is this one, then if you remove the squares from both the sides, then this one will become secant A will be equivalent to root of 1 plus cot square A divided by cot A. This is the answer for the second part of the question. And the third part of the question is we have to express tan in terms of cot. So the third part, tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So this is the answer for the third part. So with this, we have completed question number 1. We will see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.